मतलब इतना खुश हो गया वो इस रिस्पॉन्स से कि अपने ट्विटर पे जाके उसने डाला इसको, वो नीचे डाला हुआ उसने, देखिए।
I don't want to alarm anyone about the economy or anything, but I advertise two bar jobs that we have had well over okay, 400 applicants. Gulf. Gulf मतलब?
गल्फ, एक्चुअली दैट इज एक्सक्लेमेटरी वर्ड।
Sorry?
गल्प मतलब कुछ चीज पीते ना अपन तो आवाज आती ना, और कुछ
Oh, okay, okay, okay,
जो
okay.
पिया
Got it, got
अपन
it.
ने ना, वो पीने की आवाज।
Okay, got it. Tempo. Telugu we call it as tempo. Okay, but that I understand. Nick Dore, general manager of the Alexandra Hub in Wimbledon, said, okay, this is like a direct speech.
यस।
I don't want to alarm anyone about the economy or anything, but advertise two bar jobs at 6:30 on Thursday. We have we have had well over 400 applications. Okay. He added, we would normally get a dozen or so sensible replies. Okay. I mean, 12 are normally, but now they received 400.
यस।
अभी अभी सुबह एक I read one news in India, I mean Andhra. Actually, she is like a software engineer. She lost the job and without sitting at home, she is selling like vegetables. You know, I mean, उसका फादर का जो शॉप है वेजिटेबल शॉप, वो she is running that one right now. का मतलब, I mean, India, I think it's not, I mean,
The condition of India is very, very miserable these days.
yeah. I
People
mean,
are, lot of people are, even here in UK.
if you see the news, I mean, everywhere it seems like that. Okay. Research by the Institute of Employment Studies this week found that, okay, research by the Institute for Employment Studies this week found that the total number of live job vacancies across the country now stands at 433,000.
Yes.
I mean,
These are the number of jobs available.
jobs available. They are looking for the candidates, applicants. That's all. But this is good sign, but I don't know. That's less than half of the number in February. Oh, okay. February में double है, अभी less than half हो गया. Indicating that there is a long way to go in the recovery for the UK job market. Okay. Long way to go. I mean, बहुत दूर है. I mean,
अभी जर्नी लंबी
normal
है।
situation
Yes.
को, normal
हाँ,
situation
yes.
आने को.
But today I watched a video from that head of WHO.
Okay.
He spoke in that video. I'm telling you straight away. I'm telling you all people straight away that the conditions will never be normal. Now you see how fool or how stupid these people are. Now you see. The condition will never be normal, he is saying.
Oh, really?
He is saying he is becoming the father of God.
Without doubt, this is now the toughest job market in a generation. Okay. So, I mean, and there are no signs that of a Kent recovery, said Tony Wilson. Okay, this is direct speech. And director of the Institute of Employment Studies. Okay, super.
So now you have seen by reading these articles that now how we are using direct and indirect speech. So how important the topic is, direct and indirect. And here we are using tense also, present perfect tense, sometimes past tense, sometimes we are using conjunctions and all. So all these things are very important, and you can understand it easily if you have already studied, and you have already studied that grammar and all. So it is very easy for you to understand.
At least I'm able to figure out. I mean, I'm not saying like
Yes.
I'm person good, but at least I can figure out like what they are referring and what is sentence. I mean, what sentence it is, how they frame. At least, I mean, maybe it will take another couple of months. I mean, but good.
And now let's take this one. It's a new topic, a new article. I am taking this one because I feel it is interesting. So, would you like to go for that?
Which one is that?
I'm just giving you the link.
Oh, okay.
No, means are you interested to read next article?
That's fine. Yeah.
Okay, this one. It looks interesting to me. So, trading. It is about business and trading and all.
Trading. Oh, okay. Newbie investors.
So
newbie मतलब?
Newbie मतलब नया.
Okay, नया. Okay.
जैसे कहते हैं ना, you are newbie in this business.
Okay.
मतलब जिसको the person who has no experience.
Understand. Okay. I didn't know I would lose money so fast.
अब देखिए यहाँ पे this is inverted comma, this is direct.
Yes.
तो they have written that me newbie investors क्या बोल रहे हैं? Newbie investors and direct speech. I didn't know I would lose money so fast. मतलब मुझे पता नहीं था कि मैं अपने पैसे को, मनी को खो दूंगा इतनी जल्दी. मतलब लॉस में चला गया हो. तो न्यू इन्वेस्टर्स बोल रहे हैं I didn't know I would lose money so fast. Inverted comma. This is direct speech. Very nice. Okay. Now you can go for the article.
Kelly means is a prop assistant turned day trader. So, okay. Actually, it is like a prop assistant turned day trader. तो डे ट्रेडर कैसा हो गया करके?
हाँ, पहले वो कुछ और थी वो.
और थी असिस्टेंट.
हाँ की थी. I don't know.
Sorry.
I don't know whether it was he or she. I don't know that.
Kelly, I think she, but okay, that's fine.
It is difficult for me to recognize even whether it is he or it is she. I don't know whether. Okay.
But I thought like she, but
no problem. Okay. That is not important.
Stuck at home without a job during the pandemic. Okay. Kelly means initially turned to video games for escape. Oh, okay. कुछ टाइम स्पेंड करने के लिए she, I mean, okay, Kelly means प्ले करता था. I mean,
turn to video games for escape.
Escape pandemic. I mean.
हाँ, मतलब वो जो पेंडेमिक है उस टाइम को पास करने के लिए या जो भी.
पास करने के लिए वो ऐसा करता था. Then she decided. It is she.
It is she.
Yeah. So then she decided to try her hand at a real world game, the stock market.
हाँ
So she decided that is past tense.
हाँ
Okay. Okay. वो इसका मतलब she started that stock market.
हाँ
I mean,
to try her hand.
right.
कहते ना यार चलो मैं इसमें हाथ आजमाता हूँ, अपना हाथ आजमाना. तो try her hand at real world game, stock market.
I figured if I am putting this much effort into the trading of these fictitious topics,
Fictitious.
fictitious मतलब क्या है?
एक्चुअली देखिए फिक्शिशियस मतलब होता है जो फिक्शन होता है ना, जैसे नॉवेल फिक्शन.
Oh yeah. Okay, not real. Okay. Turnips मतलब
टर्निप एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग.
sorry, I mean I want
टर्निप
to
तो वैसे ना,
that,
टर्निप मीन्स तो वो होता है जो एक सब्जी होता है ना, दैट इज वेजिटेबल.
Okay.
वो एक्चुअली फिक्सी टर्निप मतलब वो एक काल्पनिक सब्जी, वो उसमें बोल दिया. टर्निप
Okay.
होता है वो शलगम होता है, एक वेजिटेबल, वाइट कलर.
Okay. I figured I am putting this much effort into the trading of these fictitious turnips. Then surely I can figure out how the actual stock market works. She says, okay, this is also direct speech.
Yes.
And surely I can figure out how the actual stock market works. Okay, वो assumptions में है अभी. Okay.
Yes.
So कि I mean figure out कर सकता हूँ मैं करके, but that's not real. But okay, anyhow, soon the 34-year-old from Louisiana who worked in the film industry was following company rumors on Reddit.
Actually, Reddit is a social media.
Okay. Yes. Reddit. Rumors on Reddit. Rumors on some short. Okay. Dialing into executive conference calls and tracking share prices and obsessively as posts on Instagram. Okay.
This is also social media.
Yes. Yeah, Instagram. I know. Okay. That's okay. Basically, she's into that obsessively. She is trying to find out and read and gather some information. Okay. I'm hooked up. I'm bored. I'm hooked up. I'm bored. I have got nothing better to do, she says. Okay. Okay, this is not me trying to make money. I am just trying to pass the time. That's not good actually. Okay, some like Miss Mills, millions of new investors in the US have piled into stocks in recent months, enabled by a dramatic crash in share prices in March. Online brokerages offering low or no fee and pandemic payments from the government. Okay. So now they are not charging the fee also and crash भी हो गया मार्च में. Okay. Stock market suffer worst quarter since 1987 के बाद this is the first time worst situation. Coronavirus stimulus rates are going full diabetes. Okay.
These are actually different topics. Article. These are different articles.
Yes. So online brokers, Charles, Schwab, and TD Ameritrade, Trade, and Robinhood together saw more than 4 million new accounts in the first 3 months of the year. Okay, मतलब वो बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. With many opened at the height of market fears in March. Okay. Okay. Many opened at the height of market fears in March. मतलब जो मार्केट क्रैश हो गए इन मार्च में वो देख के सब लोग ओपन किया बाद में. So Eric Sutherland, who works in sales and lives in Colorado, created an account on Ravel after hearing about the app from different. He bought about 1300 worth of shares since March. Or 1300 lagaya. You see the market crash and it looks like wow, oh, wow. It's not like these are not going to come back at some point. So why would you not? He says. Okay. So basically, some point they are going to come back. इसका मतलब अभी मार्च से like 100 हो गया, 500 का, but they are hoping like it will come back again like 500 worth after some point of time. Maybe not immediate, but after some point of time. Wall Street worries. Demand from the newbies has been one of the factors driving the rapid market rally, despite warnings from economists that recovery is likely to be slow and uneven. Because बताया तो भी they are doing this and because of that rapid rally भी हो रहा है market में. Okay. In the US, the Nasdaq index hit new highs in June and has continued to climb. Okay. The S&P 500 is down just 5% from its pre-pandemic record, while the Dow Jones is off 10%. और इसका मतलब वो down हो गया. While some investors are dabbling in penny stocks, many are investing in well-known customer names such as Amazon and Airlines, which are likely to rise as the economic recovery gains traction, says Nick Carlo, co-founder of DataTrack Research. So yeah, Amazon and Airlines, okay, they are putting money on that one. Their timing, but sorry.
It's okay. I mean, there is nothing means.
Yes.
Very interesting, actually.
Yeah,
so,
their timing by Hill was
impeccable.
मतलब क्या है?
Impeccable means the timings by luck or by skill was impeccable. Actually, when we say that his character is impeccable, suppose this is I am using that impeccable is an adjective. Suppose you can say the character of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. You know Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the PM of, and you know and do you know this? He was from my city.
Oh.
So he was born here, he studied here, he was from.
Really?
Yeah, yes. And his sister house is nearby my house.
Wow.
Yeah.
But I heard he is a very good PM, but I don't know.
Yes. He was very simple man. Even his family members, they are still living as normal people here in my neighborhood. So his character, what sentence I was using, the character of Atal Bihari Vajpayee was impeccable. मतलब उसके ऊपर कोई ब्लेम नहीं हुआ, ब्लेम in his life. So, impeccable means बिना कोई ब्लेम का, बिना कोई जैसे कहते हैं ना, उसके चरित्र पर कोई दाग नहीं लगा आज तक. Like this. किसी कंट्रोवर्सी में नहीं रहा हो. You can say like this. Yeah.
Okay.
So impeccable meaning is this, but here the timing by luck or by skill was impeccable. तो मतलब their timing and luck, skill. मतलब when you go to buy any share, then timings, your luck and skill, all the factors are important.
Okay.
Getting my point? The timing, luck, skill. लक भी होना चाहिए, टाइमिंग भी कब खरीदना है, और स्किल भी होना कौन सा खरीदना है शेयर. तो वॉज इम्पेकेबल मतलब वो सही था, वॉज इम्पेकेबल विदाउट एनी प्रॉब्लम और कंट्रोवर्सी.
They bought the absolute bottom when things looked very, very, very bad and have been riding the wave all the way back up. He says, okay. तो मतलब बहुत कम ने खरीद किया था. Have been riding इसका मतलब present perfect continuous.
Yes.
Here they are using, and they bought. Buy bought मतलब past tense.
They bought the absolute bottom मतलब बहुत कम,
Bottom में
जब रेट बहुत नीचे चला गया उसका तब.
And he says इसका मतलब this is completely direct speech.
Yes.
जो बताया उसने.
Yes.
But the quick rebound, faster than the rally that followed the financial crisis has raised concerns about the risk being taken by the
Amateurs. Again, amateurs is the opposite of professional.
Oh, okay. उसका मतलब okay, maturity नहीं है.
हाँ, amateur मतलब
mature.
professional होते हैं, they are matured people. But this is the opposite of professional.
Okay. Here they use like that followed, the rally that followed the financial crisis has raised, this is the present perfect again, concerns about the risk being taken. इसका मतलब this is passive because they did not use here again present perfect, they used being taken.
Yes.
Being taken. Right?
मतलब हाँ उन्होंने लिए वो कदम उठाए. About the risk being taken by the amateurs.
Okay. In the financial media, their presence has drawn comparisons to the late 19th surge in so-called day trading that is now seen as a warning sign of the dot-com bust.
.com bust.
In the financial media, their presence has drawn. Again, this is present perfect.
Actually, we use that word in stock market, .com bubble.
Okay. They are just doing stupid things, and in my opinion, this will end in tears. Okay. Billionaire hedge fund. Okay. So it's not good करके बता रहा है. I mean, one of the billionaires. The worry is not so much of people like Miss Mills who are looking for a pandemic hostile. It's for the people who may invest so much that they end up losing everything. मतलब they will lose करके बता रहे हैं. Okay. Last month, one 20-year-old Robinhood trader was apparently so distraught over how much he thought he had lost that he said, "Oh, really?" Okay. Distraught means
Distraught मतलब upset, you can say.
Oh,
So distraught over how much he thought he had lost.
okay. 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 So, मतलब he had lost past perfect.
He had lost
That
a big amount, you can say.
Okay.
And he was so upset for that.
Okay. Amid the outcry, Robinhood this week said, it was postponing its launch in the UK indefinitely. It was postponing its launch.
In UK indefinitely.
क्या postpone कर रहा है?
वो कुछ शायद it may be, I don't know, it is, I am unable to understand, but I think it may be about any share or something like that.
Okay, that's fine.
Postponing its launch मतलब कोई कंपनी की सब कुछ may be related with some company launching some company or something, it postponing its launch in the UK.
I had no idea. The phenomenon of amateur investing is not confined to the US. Okay. Confined matlab?
हाँ, very good. I tell you that by an example. Confined, and then third form is confined. Actually, suppose somebody is sick. By an example, I am telling you.
Okay.
Somebody is sick and he has been or she has been on the bed for a long time. That time we speak to someone, she's confined to the bed only. मतलब उसी के अंदर रह जाना, confined. I am not confined to one city or one place.
इसका मतलब I am not belongs to one city or I mean.
मतलब उसी जगह पे किसी कारणवश is confined. He is confined to that place only because of his job.
Okay.
He is confined to that village for many years. Suppose he has been confined to this village for many years because of his job. Because of his job. This one. मतलब it is giving you negative sense.
Oh, okay.
Not in positive sense. मतलब उसको वो वहीं का होके रह गया है, मतलब उसको विलेज में ही रहना पड़ रहा है कई सालों से. He is confined to that place only in negative sense because of his job. Okay. So here not confined to the US. तो वहीं पे सीमित नहीं है उसका जो इन्वेस्ट करने का उनका वो है. Amateur investing is not confined to the US. Next.
Some of my friends were talking about stock prices being
No, this one, the Tom Prescott 28.
Okay, not okay. Tom Prescott, 28, he is from the UK but currently working for a software company in the Spanish capital,
Madrid.
where he lives with his girlfriend. We were confined to our flat and I was thinking about supplementary money.
हाँ अभी देखिए, it's a very good example. The people are confined to their home because of that pandemic. People are confined to their homes because of that. मतलब घर के ही होके रह गए वो. So we were confined to our flat.
Yes.
And I was thinking about supplementing my income.
Yes, yes.
He told the BBC.
Okay.
Direct speech.
Yes. Some of my friends, so that is also direct speech. Some of my friends were talking about stock prices being as low as they have ever been. पहले नहीं था, अभी कम हो गया था.
बहुत कम है, हाँ.
We spent hours watching online tutorials and studying how to trade. But when he opened an account, he burned through his stake in a matter of minutes.
Yeah. He burned पूरा मतलब he burned मतलब उसमें आग लगा दी उसने. आग लगा दी means उसका पैसा डूब गया हो. He burned through his stake. Stake मतलब दांव लगाना, दांव. He burned through his stake in a matter of minutes. कुछ ही मिनट में चला गया उसका.
Yes. I started off with 100. I felt super confident watching the ticker as stock and shares were going up and down. He said, "Okay."
टिकर वो वहाँ पे चलता रहता है वो टिकर.
He filed into oil at 16 in a barrel, thinking the price was sure go up, but it fell almost immediately to 14. I didn't have enough money to cover the loss, so it crashed out my position and I got an email. I had no idea what had happened.
This is very good. Indirect. I had no idea what had happened. I had no idea, past tense and then past perfect. Very good sentence. I had no idea what had happened. मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं था क्या हो गया. Yes.
I thought I was owning barrels, but I was not. I was borrowing. It was the fastest 100 I would ever spent. Got it. Okay. Not stupid.
Okay, we'll read it next time. Now let's discuss something.
Sure.
Because we have done reading for sufficient time. And now let's discuss something. Okay, so I think the article from BBC is better than that of Hindu paper.
Yes.
Okay, so let's discuss something. Okay, so how often do you go out of your home to bring some groceries, vegetables and fruits? I mean, how often do you go out in a week?
Once in 2 weeks.
Once in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Okay, so means you bring vegetable, fruits, everything for 15 days.
Yes, and also we order online.
Okay.
In between, so that somebody will.
So it is delivered.
Yes.
But actually, as in India, The means the packed vegetable and fruits are not in means it is not means a tradition to get packed food and packed vegetable. So we would like to, or we like to buy fresh vegetable and fruits every day. So
Yes, that's correct. Not every day. Normally, what happens, yeah, as you said, yes, you are right. Vegetables and fruits, normally we get it for 2 weeks.
so,
The other items,
so they are packed.
yes,
So if you, so do you keep them in your refrigerator or what?
yes, yes. They are packed means, let me explain you. If we go to market, they put it in separate boxes. It's opened and we put it in the bags and get it, you know. That is the how in India same market
Okay, okay.
stores. But in American stores, some of the items they put it in the bags, bunch bag. Okay, apples, they put it in based on the weight. Suppose if it is like a 4 to LB, 3 or 5 LB, 4 LB. So based on that, they put it in one bag and put it the tag. So we took that bag itself, like lemon, oranges, something like that.
And
So
you
vegetable.
yes, and then you put them in refrigerator.
Yes. No. Now, I mean, it depends on the item. If it is like an apple bag, we open that bag and clean it and put it in the bowl and somewhere apples because it won't spoil immediately. The same day or next day.
Yeah.
Banana, we don't put it in freeze.
Banana is not actually stored in refrigerator.
So,
Yes.
yes.
वो जल्दी खराब हो जाएगा अगर रेफ्रिजरेटर में रखा तो. Yes.
So depends on the item, we put it in the freezer.
So do you find the same taste there in fruit and vegetable?
Same taste means?
Means the taste of Indian.
Yeah, because all items comes from India, right? Most of the items.
Oh.
If we go to Indian market, all items, whatever we get it from India only. Depends on the item even. I mean, normally here we don't get the small bananas, we get it right in India. Small with the chota banana, not like this big, you know. वो भी मिलता है, I mean, we get it in Indian store. But those bananas, we don't get it in American stores.
Okay. And what about milk and other items?
Oh, milk and other items we have to milk. Yeah, if you ask me about milk and eggs, well, an American store only.
Okay.
But the milk is from what we call it. It's not like it's a cow milk.
So it is a pack, and you get sugar, everything in a packed form.
Yeah. Oh, big stores here. It's not like I mean, you know Walmart, right? In India also there, right?
I know.
Yeah, similar way. Not Walmart is there, but we don't go to Walmart. Okay, I give thoda. It's not like a paid version. You know what I'm saying? We don't need to take like a card and pay subscription for that one. It's like common for everybody. You know what I'm saying? They can freely go and come back. Some other stores are there, like Costco. So we have to pay premium membership.
Oh.
Like per year, like it's $120 or something like that. So we go to there, like because that is, I mean, good and quality food we get it there. That's what I mean. I don't know, but that is the trend and we go there. So we get the milk like organic milk, pigs.
Organic milk means it is from.
They don't feed any pesticides, food or substitutes or something to the cows. It's like naturally.
Or it may be costlier.
Yeah. Compared to regular, yes, it's very costly. Even any item, in any store, if you go, you see like one section organic and one unorganic. Even apple, if you see apple, you get like organic fat and non-organic fat. Like any item like that.
And let me know something about the water supply in home. Means, is there the separate supply for drinking water and for some other purposes like for cleaning, cooking, or cleaning or taking bath, and or do you store water in an overhead tank? Means, what is like this?
It's like the online, taps. Maybe it is coming from some groundwater system, like a gas and the same way. So we get the water like that. We don't need to store anything.
So it is means the supply is available all the 24 hours.
Yes.
Means, suppose if you go to toilet, so in any condition or in any emergency, means there is no chance that supply is stopped.
In my 14 years, I think only water-wise, no. In my 14 years, but only one time power cut was there. It's just for like 1 or 2 hours. Not 2 hours, I think. 4 5 hours in my 14 years.
There is no power cut.
And in water also, separate system will be there. Like if you want hot water, you have to move little bit like this. If you want cold water, you have to move like this.
That I know, but how that cold and hot water is, means that is from the source, or
Yes.
that you make it hot or cold?
No, we don't need to do anything. It will automatically come.
Means it is very advanced technology. That means
Yeah.
they.
And yes.
So you pay bill for water supply and all.
Yes.
You pay separate bill for water supply. You pay separate bill for electricity,
Yes. Gas,
gas. Yes.
cooking gas.
You get cooking gas also through supply pipe.
Yes. Yes.
In
Yes.
In India, it has started here.
Oh, okay, super. So we don't need to take like a cylinder.
No. Yeah, in India also, it is your choice. If you want to get cylinder, or you can get that gas pipe installed.
Oh, super.
So it is
That
now.
good.
It is being done now. So.
But I don't know how safe it is there. I mean, in starting point, but I never heard any issues here. I mean, in my 14 years.
No, America is a developed country actually. So they are well developed people, and definitely their technology, everything. And the main important thing what I noticed, that the people there in US, they are they love their country. They, as you have already told me, and I know that they love their country. Means they are not the devotee of any political party. They are the devotee of their own country.
I don't know that. One thing I can say, my knowledge, as per my knowledge, the population is very less. That is also one of the driving factors because our population is very. I mean, in 130 crores, 140 crores, right? So the usage is more there, right? If you take anything, it's a very hard to maintain also. Okay, that's what I feel one of the factors. But and yeah, as you said, maybe advanced technology is that is one thing. And the other one, you asked the question, drinking water, right? Normally, we bought like this, the bottles. Bottles means like a big 24 pack or
Yes, yes. The
36
people
pack.
here also they like to buy water, but we don't buy water from market because we have got RO system in my family, so that we get pure water. That RO water we have got here. So
And in my home, we have some the unit. We get like some kind of tins, big tin. Just we need to put the tin and use that unit automatically. It will come the running the tap. You know what I'm saying?
hmm.
I mean, in India, I think distilled water cans they sell.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah, they available. People subscribe to them and they pay every month for that. This is also done here in India.
Yeah.
So
So yeah, we get that one also. So
and so the flat, the house you live in, is it? Of course, it is rented. As you told me earlier, you don't want to buy a house here until you get your permanent visa.
yes.
You told me that. So it is rented. So is it a big house? It is an apartment or it is an independent house?
Apartment.
It is an apartment. So other families are also there.
Yes. It's
Okay.
like almost uh, uh, 2,000 to 4,000. I mean, I think around 4 to 5,000 units are there. It's a very big. Uh, Not in one apartment, but it's like a huge area.
I understand. It is just like a society in India.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. But
So
in it's like a locking system is there to get into the main building. So it's like 20, 30 units are there in one building. You know what I'm saying?
so security man is there outside at the entrance. Oh,
No, that's what I'm saying. For each building, if you want to enter, somebody cannot get into that building because of the locking system is there. So we have to use either key or like to get into the building.
or some fingertip or something like that. Hmm.
So yeah, the continuation to your question. So this is like a rented apartment.
So it is rented. So it is paid by your company or you pay the rent by your
Myself.
own salary.
Yeah, myself.
Hmm. Is it a big house or small house?
No, okay. We used to have like a big house earlier because of like again here based on the school district, the rents are high.
Hmm.
If it is very good school district, then that area the rents are very high. So earlier what happened, like we used to stay in different apartment because of my daughter's education. That time she was under like 12th grade.
So
Now she moved.
yes, yes.
So now she moved to college. So we don't need like a good school district. So we move to some other location where the rent is less than that place. You know what I'm
Okay,
saying?
so yeah, so of course you must have parking there in your house. There must be some parking for parking your car or scooter or
Yeah,
bike.
it's like separate lines will be there to park your car. So,
Okay,
parking lot.
but just a very common question. It is my query I am asking, and then we'll finish. Uh, in India, actually, the people they have houses, but the most of the houses they have no parking system. So means so what they do, they park their car in front of their house in India. I think the same may be there in your state, Andhra also. Here in my colony, nobody has got that parking place. So everybody has got, one or two cars in their house. So they are with all these cars are parked in front of the house. So, but it is very common practice here in India. So, what is there in US? Means,
Yeah.
can people park their car in front of their house, or is there any rule for parking, or what is this?
Okay. Here, two, three things are there. Okay. First one, where I'm staying right now, like these communities. Okay. They have plenty of the parking places. Okay. If I am staying in downtown, you
Okay.
might have heard that word downtown,
Yes.
heart of the city, that is
Mhm.
an old place. The rents are very, very high, and they are in front of the house. So whoever comes first, they park. There is no like I have to park in this place. That's not resolved. You know what I'm saying?
But sometimes it may be the cause of quarreling.
No, no way.
But in India,
No.
people start quarreling.
Those things they don't do. I don't know. Maybe I never stayed that place because I don't know. Maybe like you said, maybe if they are like side by side every day, maybe they. I don't know. But that is one scenario. If you ask me about like in New York, heart of the town, they do have like rented parking lots.
That
They
is
charge
also
them.
available in India also.
Yeah, they charge a lot for one day. That is also like coupons they give. Like if you go early, they get like a cheap price in certain time because it's a depending on like a demand.
But it is a kind of headache. So it is better to have a house with parking. That's better.
Yes.
Okay, so today we have finished our two of the lessons, and what about your next?
$28.
28th minute today on Tuesday, huh?
Yes.
Tuesday we'll have our lesson once again. Okay.
Yeah, 6 p.m. IST and